Hi, it's Sadaya. I hope you still remember me. I didn't vlog yesterday, I believe, or today. Because I didn't go to school today. I have a thing on, trust me. It's just all over the place. Anyway, I didn't go to school today. My ankle was hurting like hell. It still kind of does, but it's less painful. So I went to the doctor. They said to just stay in the boot, keep walking, do the shoe, because this is my last week with the boot, and wear high top shoes, stuff like that. We also go podiatry or the foot doctor, whatever it's called. We have an appointment for that, and we have an appointment for my density scan, my bone density scan. The reason why I'm telling you guys these things is because I'm so sorry if you can't hear me. I'm at my dad's house again. The reason why I keep telling you like details, about this is because I used to call this channel used to be called Sadaya Show. Like, it was my show, it was my everything. Like, I would record everything, but I didn't, which was kind of weird. Now that I'm trying to do better mentally for myself, and I am good mentally, but right now, I don't know. Now that I've came out as what the heck, who I am, and figured myself out, I want to just tell you guys everything. I am doing a book, an autobiography about my seizures, about my epilepsy. I told you guys, hopefully, that I am epileptic. And this is how my ankle started. And then the other ankle, it was the right, and then it was the left on June. The right one was February. And then, so I basically had no summer. But I still want to tell you guys this stuff, because if it was called Sadaya Show first, I would have showed you guys everything, but I'm not, and I didn't. So I changed the name, I changed who I am, and it's gonna be a show, and it's gonna be great. I'm gonna go to school tomorrow, see how that's gonna work, and I'm gonna show you around. I will try to bring my tripod, but I don't know how it's gonna work, honestly, but I'll try to bring it. I don't know how the school feels about it. Yeah, you can film, but I filmed there before. I have a whole video of my friends, filming for me, and now I only have one friend that you saw in that video, I think. And then I have my aide, Miss Yolanda. She was in the back of that video, and she helps me through my anxiety and stuff like that, and I love her so much. And like, I literally love her so much, but I'm not trying to get emotional, because she might leave me senior year, which fucking sucks, but they don't take care of AIDS well. The pay is horrible. It fucking sucks. But I'm hoping I don't have to do like a whole nother thing with a different aid. It didn't work last time and I'm middle school. The last time I got a different aide in middle school, she yelled at me a lot. Just because I told her like I'm going to my next class. It's horrible if she leaves. But she might stay senior year. She doesn't know where it's gonna go to, or it's a mess. The problem and it's a mess because I don't know if I want to do like homeschooling or independent studies. But we would have to talk to my counselor, and then we emailed her, told her what we wanted, the accommodations. She was like, I don't know about that stuff. I'm like, your counselor, you're supposed to know. So we went to like basically her runs special ed office because I have to be in special day classes. So we're gonna have a meeting with them sometime, talk about accommodations because I cannot walk left and right, up and down to my classes with shoes or boots. It's not fun. It's not fun. But when I'm alone, I guess I have 0 friends except for my friend Kaya. She's the best. She's the fucking best. But yeah, I'm gonna make this about not just me. Sorry. I'm not gonna make this channel about me. There's gonna be other people that you see. I'm not gonna show my mom, of course. If I'm talking to her about something, it's gonna be chasing me, the camera. But yeah, this channel isn't about me. That it's not the Sadaya show. It's just Sadaya Serenity. But I will be. My life is a show. It's dramatic, it's sad, it's funny as hell, it's complicated, it's stressful, but at the end of the day, you get over it and say fuck it. Things could be worse, right? So, oh god, we say fuck it, things could get worse. Like I can die, I can lose a limb, like that type of shit. I wouldn't. I can't. That's why I'm so grateful for my legs. I'm so grateful that I have legs. And I was so insecure about them, but now I'm like, I can't lose these bitches. I can't lose them. I can't lose them. To go in surgery twice because of these legs, and I can't lose them. There's no way in hell. But I don't know. This is still a Sadaya show, but it's gonna include a roller coaster of things. So it's my show. It's not just my show, it's gonna be a lot of people's shows. You understand? I don't know. It's gonna be my show, but renamed, kind of like a rebrand. I rebranded the name of the channel, Sadaya Randy, and I'm gonna be more open with you guys. And if you don't see a video, up in like months, something happened. And I'm sorry I've been gone. I've really missed you, honestly, babes. I've missed you so much. I'm sorry that I'm like going between babes and baddies. I like both of them. I like using babes like when it's a serious matter, or like I can't use like goodnight babes, or when I'm showing off an outfit like baby. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like using baby and baddies as calling you guys, because you guys are like not my children, you guys are like my best friends. Anyway, I'll probably talk to you guys soon, maybe, or maybe tomorrow. I love you, babes.